Today I will be teaching you long division. What is long division? Long division is a method of dividing one large number by another by writing down each stage of the work. Here we have our first example, 2x plus 8 divided by x plus 4. So in order to solve for it, we need to figure out how many times x plus 4 will go into the equation. So in order to get 2x, we'd have to multiply x by 2. So here is the 2. And now we have minus 2x, and then multiply that 2 by 4, and we have 8. And then we are left with the remainder of 0, and our answer is 2. What are remainders? Remainders are the leftover number that was not able to be divided into the equation. Our second example, we have 3x squared plus 9x plus 1 divided by x plus 3. So in order to get the first number, 3x squared, we have to multiply x 3x times. So now we multiply it, and we have minus 3x squared. Then multiply 3x by 3 plus 9x, and subtract it. And now we bring down that 1, so we still have one number left, but that cannot be divided by x plus 3. So our answer would be 3x plus 1 over x plus 3, since 1 is our remainder. For the last example, we have 4x cubed plus 2x squared plus x plus 2 divided by x plus 2. So in order to get that first number, 4x cubed, we have to multiply x by 4x squared times. So there's our 4x squared. And now we have minus 4x cubed plus 8x squared. Subtract, we're left with negative 6x squared, and we're going to bring down that x here, so plus x. And now, how many times will x plus 2 go into that? We have minus 6x times, so negative 6x squared minus 12x. So this would add up and give us 0, but then x minus negative 12, that would be plus. So now we have 13x, and we're going to go ahead and bring down this 2, and then add a 13 to get 13x, so minus 13x. And then we have 26. So 2 minus 26 is negative 24, so that is our remainder, and I will write it over here. So that leaves us with the answer of 4x squared minus 6x plus 13 minus 24 over x plus 2. And now here's a study tip. If you have trouble with a particular subject, then do more practice problems than required to get the extra help. The best use of class time would be to focus and ask the teacher for help when needed. And some general advice is don't wait to do your homework till last minute. And now here's a joke. What did the division signs have for dinner? Remainders. Thanks for watching.